This is our beach cleanup day today for World Cleanup Day, which is the second Saturday of September.
I'm here with the Eureka team on a beach here in Queens, New York. I'm so excited to be here to make the world a better place because a lot of people forget we only have one world to live in, so we need to work together to protect it.
We collected a lot of trash, which was really great. A lot of good people came out and many hands made light work, so we cleaned up a lot of trash from the shoreline today.
Thank you so much for this event. It's so important in this current climate to contribute in little ways we can, and I think it's the little changes that make the big changes.
For me, that's very inspiring, and it shows that you can take steps to actually change things in a positive direction. So I never lose hope.
We're so thankful for Eureka to set up this event. It's very important.